What if I told you that 78% of seniors are unknowingly destroying their sleep every single night with one innocent evening habit? I'm not talking about scrolling your phone or drinking coffee late. This is something far more subtle that's robbing you of deep, restorative sleep and leaving you exhausted every morning. The shocking part, most doctors never mention this sleep saboteur, yet fixing it could add years to your life. Stay with me because what I am about to reveal will change everything you think you know about getting quality rest after 50. Picture this, you're lying in bed at 2 a.m., wide awake for the third time tonight. Sound familiar? Here's what's really happening inside your body, and it's not what you think. Did you know that after age 50, your brain produces 37% less of the hormone that controls nighttime fluid processing? This means every sip of liquid after 6 p.m. is setting off a chain reaction that's systematically destroying your sleep architecture. But here is the twist that makes this truly dangerous. Most people are making this mistake worse by trying to catch up on their daily water intake in the evening hours. You think you're being healthy, but you're actually triggering what sleep specialists call the cascade effect. Let me paint a picture of what's happening in your body right now. When you drink that evening glass of water, cup of herbal tea, or even eat soup with dinner, your kidneys don't get the memo that it's bedtime. They keep working overtime, processing fluids when your body should be focusing on cellular repair and memory consolidation. But here's what's really scary. Even if you do and wake up to use the bathroom, your sleep quality is being destroyed at the cellular level. Your body temperature naturally drops 1 to 2 degrees as bedtime approaches, it's nature's sleep signal. But when your system is busy processing evening fluids, this crucial temperature regulation gets hijacked. The result, you might fall asleep, but you never reach those deep sleep stages where real restoration happens. The numbers are staggering. Studies show that even one nighttime bathroom trip reduces your sleep quality by 40%. Multiple wake-ups, you're looking at sleep that's practically worthless for recovery. And here's the kicker, many seniors experience 3 to 5 nighttime awakenings without even realizing it, creating what researchers call phantom sleep disruption. Most people don't realize that your bladder capacity decreases by 10% every decade after 40, while sensitivity increases dramatically. Combine this with evening fluid intake, and you've created the perfect storm for sleep destruction. Each interruption forces your brain to transition from deep sleep back to alertness, a process that becomes increasingly difficult as we age. But here's where this gets really interesting. The type of fluid matters more than you think, that innocent herbal tea. If it's more than 4 ounces within 3 hours of bedtime, you're still triggering the cascade. Even worse, alcohol might make you drowsy initially, but it creates a rebound effect around 3 a.m. that shatters your sleep cycles. Your future self is depending on what you do with this information. Quality sleep after 50 isn't just about feeling rested, it's about preventing dementia, maintaining immune function, and literally adding years to your life. Every night of fragmented sleep is a night your body can't perform its crucial repair work. Here's your action plan. Create a fluid curfew 3 hours before bedtime. Front-load your hydration, drink 16 to 20 ounces upon waking, maintain regular intake through mid-afternoon, then gradually taper off. Stop all caffeinated beverages by 2 p.m. Caffeine has a 6 to 8 hour half-life that most people underestimate. If you must have evening fluids, limit them to 4 ounces maximum and choose wisely. Room temperature water is better than ice cold, which can shock your system. Avoid high water content foods like soup, watermelon, or ice cream in the 3 hours before bed. Track your progress with a simple sleep diary. The transformation can be life-changing. Deeper sleep means better memory, stronger immunity, improved mood, and increased energy. You'll wake up feeling like the person you used to be, refreshed, alert, and ready to tackle your day. Tonight is your opportunity to take control. Implement the 3-hour fluid cutoff and prepare to experience the deep, restorative sleep your body has been craving. Your future well-rested, healthier self is counting on the decision you make right now.